Godafoss stands for Waterfall of God.
In 300 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
We're gonna see that.
সো আমরা এইমাত্র এখানে পার্ক করলাম, গোদাফস ওয়াটারফল দেখতে এসেছি। এখানে বিশাল একটা পার্কিং আছে, এটা ফ্রি পার্কিং, এখানে কোনো পার্কিং ফি দিতে হচ্ছে না।
We just parked at the parking lot. It was free, and now we are heading to Godafoss. This waterfall is named after the gods, basically, in probably Icelandic culture or something. But as you can see, it's Godafoss, and foss means waterfall, waterfall of gods. We have just arrived to Godafoss waterfall, and this place is really pretty because there's two waterfalls right by each other. There's really nice air and a really good view of everything. I like the surrounding of the waterfall.
Surrounding, yes, surrounding is so good, right?
Some places have like a bad surrounding and a waterfall, but this place has a really good surrounding and a
Okay.
waterfall. So Godafoss stands for Waterfall of Gods. It's very pretty, and it sort of, I think it resembles some gods in Icelandic culture or something. So many bugs.
So many rocks, right? Okay, curious.
I really like this place, and I wish I could go up there, but they didn't put railings there, so I can't.
No, you are not.
Very pretty.
Okay.
I really like it. There's two big waterfalls, and this is one, a small one in the middle of it. Very beautiful. There's another one there. Yeah, there have been four, but there's only a tiny one in there also.
Okay.
I really like this place.
Okay.
It's very cool.
Anything else?
Bye.
Okay, interview is over. Hi, say hi. We're heading back to our car to get to our next destination, Lake Mivan.